Ooh, nice. Where's the thunder from that? Whew. Wow. Well, there we go. Huh. It's like 5:50 p.m. August the 9th, 2019, Ormond Beach, Florida, just on the south side of Granada Bridge. This is the second part of the video. My battery died. I had to run to the truck and get another battery. Ooh, look at that. Ormond Beach Skywatcher Melly sees you. With a nice summer storm. Keep thinking it's going to start raining, but it just sprinkles a little bit and then stops. So here I am, still waiting on lightning. We are living in an electric world. Living in an electric world. Electric universe. Oh, hope I got that one on shot. Still shot. Alright. Look at that. Pretty. Get back over here where it's productive. I wouldn't be doing that. Oops, see? Yep. They're getting ready to go out in this. Not very bright. Ooh, yeah. Another one. Get too close to the edge of that. Gotta watch that I don't step off the damn edge of this pier I'm standing on. My foot was almost fall off. Me and my camera would have been swimming. That would not have been good. No way. Holy hell, I missed it. It was back there. Whew. I wouldn't have caught that one anyways. Probably. Ooh, that was nice. It was a big one. I know, that's what she said. Oh, yeah. Give me some lightning. Give me some lightning. Woo, yes. Wow. That was incredible. Lightning. Woo. Florida, the lightning capital of the world. And our big Florida skies. Woo-wee. How can I leave now? I mean, this light show's just getting started, right? Ooh. Get off me, bug. Woo. Wow. That was awesome. That hit something. That's probably starting a fire somewheres now. Jeez Louise. Ooh, I better aim this way. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's going to talk to itself over here. It usually does that. Lightning communicates. The sky talks to itself. See, I believe the sky is alive too. It's just a different type of entity. Woo! Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Nice. Give me some lightning. Come on. Ooh. Talk to me, sky. Talk to me, sky. Don't start raining. Oh, snap. If this starts to rain, I gotta go. This will be Millie Sees You and I'm out because it's starting to rain. Oh. Alright, I hear it coming. I see it coming across the water. Alright, I got to go. Oh, that's a lull right there. Hold on. I'm going to be racing the rain to my truck. Oh, oh, oh. That's crazy looking. That's some heavy rain coming right there. Holy snap, stop. Ooh, yes. Alright, well, this is Ormond Beach Skywatcher. Melly sees you out.